Hello, I'm Heather, and this is Discover Together at the Halton Hills Public Library. Let's discover microscopes. In this video, we'll be learning how to use the microscope to look at a slide. Visit our website at www.hhpl.on.ca to borrow this kit with your library card. Let's get started. After you've rated your light source on your microscope by either adjusting the mirror or using your light source, choose one of the prepared slides from your kit. Place it under the two spring clips on top of the stage. You want to make sure that this colored part of your slide is on top of the circular hole in your stage. For optimal viewing, you want to start with the lowest magnifying strength and work your way up. This means you need to have the smallest lens pointing down at the slide. You can adjust the lenses by rotating the lens turret until you hear a click. Most observing is done at a low power. Next, you need to turn the focusing knob on the slide of the microscope until the objective lens, or the small lens that we're using, is as close to the slide as possible, but without touching it. Try not to let the lens touch the slide. If the lens touches the slide, it may break the slide or the lens. Remember, the slide is made of glass. Now, look through the eyepiece and slowly turn the focusing knobs until you see the sample clearly. Great job, guys, you did it! Now, take a look at what you see. Can you see parts that are smooth or spiky? Are there large spaces between the parts, or are they very tightly packed together? Do you see curved lines or straight lines? Compare the slide you're looking at right now with another one from your kit. How are the samples the same, or how are they different? Draw a picture on paper of what you see. Label your picture with the name of the sample that's written on the slide. Thanks for watching. Are you ready to discover something new? Go to www.hhpl.on.ca and search Discover Together to put one on hold. And don't forget your library card. Bye!